Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see which industries are performing best today. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the web browser you have, and here you have to search for Finviz slash uh, search for groups dot x. Check for the URL. Be very careful with it. Don't perform it wrong. Now here you can see the one-day performance for each consumer defensive, utilities, healthcare, and multiple other industries that are booming. And you can check the data for 1 week also, for 1 month also. Here you can see the utilities performance over a month has been a greater number of greater increase percentage. So by this method, you can easily check the data. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.